Feel like your wallet is about to dry out? No worries. We're fixing this one move at a time, smooth and simple. The twist? It's usually those little overlooked things that push your setup to the next level. If you feel like one meme coin could be the key to leveling up your whole bag, you're not wrong, and I'm laying out the exact steps I take when I spot a shot like that. No extra talk, just the process that's actually pulled weight. Be ready though, these plays don't wait around. The truth is, pump fun's been all over the place recently. You've got tokens launching non-stop and dying just as quick, and any good plays? They've already been taken. Most of the savvy crowd has already moved on. What remains are newer folks diving in without thinking it through. If you've seen how this goes before, sitting back and watching could be the smart move. There's a flood of meme coins hitting the scene every second. It's non-stop action. If you're planning to launch one, you better bring the hype early. If not, it'll get lost in the sea of forgettable projects. This isn't about taking chances anymore. You need a setup that delivers wins, and Radium has turned into the main hub for seasoned traders. Stack it against pump fun, and the edge is clear. It's smoother, stronger, and just better all around. And those big price dips? They're not problems. They're perfect for timed entries. Let me walk you through how to capitalize on them. Now the things have settled just enough that launching your own coin might finally make sense. The scene is still buzzing, but if you don't know how to code and try to wing it, you're likely just making things way harder than they should be. Skip the coding stress. Launchtool.io does all the heavy lifting when it comes to Radium. That's why people are loving it. Whether it's your first time or you've launched before, it's built to handle both. The complicated old way of doing things, no longer needed. Let me walk you through how to use it. Step 1 in this game, slap a face on your token, one that makes people stop scrolling. Go into Canva and spin up a 128 by 128 design. Pick out a meme that's funny or just weird enough to catch attention. I use the cat at doorbell meme. It's cute and kinda iconic. Center it. Save the project, and now your coin actually feels like something. Let's keep things moving. Head over to Launchtool and connect your Phantom wallet. It'll only take a sec. Type in your token name. Mine's gonna be cat at door, and the symbol will be MEOW. If you got a fun quote or phrase, paste it in this box right here. This will make our coin look more professional. Then add your logo, hit that next button, and you're already halfway through the setup. Now it's time for the tokenomics part. This method is proven and solid, so it's a go-to for many. Set your total supply to exactly 1 billion tokens. That's the sweet spot for meme coins. Confirm everything, click next, and you're still cruising on the right path. After that, you reach the creator setup. You'll be offered to pay 0.1 Sol for added extras. This isn't necessary. You can pass on it just fine. I'd suggest saving your Sol for a more useful moment later, so just click that green button. Next up is the social media tab. Here's where you can drop your Twitter, Discord, or any other links you've set up. But to be real, Radium's platform offers way more initial visibility than a brand new social account. If your social channels are live, plug them in. I didn't have mine up yet, so I left it empty. Now, this step matters a lot. It sets what's still editable after your coin drops. There are 3 switches, but messing with them could scare off buyers. Freeze sounds risky because it means wallets could get locked up. Minting enabled means you can add extra supply. Update access allows changes down the road. The smart move is leave everything as is and press launch my token now. Next up, Phantom will ask you to confirm a couple of steps. It's just part of the usual process. Give each prompt a thumbs up, and boom, your token goes live on chain. Feels pretty satisfying, right? This is the reward for all the effort you put in. Once your token is officially live, press the last Launchtool button. It takes you to SolScan. You can verify your contract is fully deployed and secured. After that, setting up your liquidity pool is where the real excitement kicks off. Adding liquidity is next. Your token won't trade without it. In Launchtool, choose the second option to open Radium's liquidity dashboard. Connect your Phantom wallet. It connects fast usually, but if not, just press this button and connect it. Then you're going to need your token address, so go to Launchtool or SolScan to take it. I normally go to Launchtool, easily accessible at the first option. Then just click here and paste it in. Now enter the symbol and name of your token. As you know, mine is MEOW and cat at door. Click Add User Token, and your full billion tokens will show up in the drop-down. Now put 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool to get things started. Be sure to choose Sol as your quote token. That's super important. Then add some as well. Anywhere from 0.4 to 2. Sol usually does the trick. And remember to keep at least 0.2 Sol aside for the fees. Finally, set the fee tier at 2% to keep trades flowing smoothly. This choice is yours to change. 2% is the default and works for most people. But if you want to test something different, 1% or 0.5% are options. Pick what feels right. Once decided, press Initialize Liquidity Pool. Confirm the Phantom approval, and your Radium pool will be active. Before you go further, open Photon and see if the Radium filter is active. If it's off, toggle it on so you can see your token correctly. Radium gives us an advantage over platforms like Pump Fun by making sure new tokens get seen quickly. Stay focused, and let's keep making moves. Let's track your token live. So take the token address from Launch Tool or SoulScan, whichever you like better. Then go to Deck Screener. Here you can see how your coin is going. Click any token, then replace in the URL this part with your token address, and your chart will load immediately. There may be some bot trades early on, but when the graph moves upward, that's a solid sign you're gaining traction, so keep an eye on here. Now, I want to show you something else. Head over to Radium and open the Portfolio tab to see your liquidity. Make sure to change the view to Standard. If your details aren't visible immediately, no worries. It might take as long as 15 minutes for Radium to refresh. Be patient. After that, we'll come back and check the chart once more. So far it's been 7 minutes, and we're already seeing some action. $24 and $42 buys, bringing us close to that 0.5 Sol mark. New buys are steadily coming in, pushing the chart upward. Let's stay tuned and see how we're doing. 13 minutes in, and here come more buys. $32, $38, a pair of $7, and a $14 just landed, bringing us up to about 0.7 Sol. Solid activity so far. Let's stay locked in and see how this unfolds. So here we are, 60 minutes deep, and a 51 buy just landed, probably our last one for now, giving the chart another nice boost. Let's figure out how to take the next step from here. Ready to claim your rewards? Make sure your Phantom wallet's connected. If it isn't, hit this button. Switch to standard mode, find your liquidity position, and tap the minus button. Boom. You're withdrawing your funds just like that. Move the slider to 100% to withdraw your full position. The SOL displayed below is what you'll receive. After that, hit Remove Liquidity, confirm with Phantom, and you're done. The system will handle the rest behind the scenes. If you want quick gains, this method is a total winner. 90% of tokens launched like this explode right away. Ours picked up steam fast, and if you keep that energy going or create another token, it only improves. The first movers make big profits. The late crowd ends up trailing behind. Stay focused, stick with the plan, and act fast. Timing really counts. See you on the other side.